Fitbit, it's vibrating, but it's not, there's no display. So here's how you fix it. It's a Fitbit Charge 3. All right, so you place it inside the charger, and then on the left side, see where my thumb is? Hold down the button for like 8 to 10 seconds, and then you'll see the bar and then the little happy face. And then once you see that, it's booting back up and you'll have a display again. This solution should resolve it for the majority of you. There's going to be a percentage of you where your watch is just doomed and you may need to use another method. But if you don't have a display, but you could feel it vibrate when you push the side button in or tap it, just put it in the cradle thing, the charger, hold down that button for 8 to 10 seconds, and then it'll reboot itself and your watch will have a display and it'll work as intended again. Thank you for watching Tech Nuba.
Tech Nuba.